In a world where cosplay dreams come easily, but cosplay dollars don't, creating a great costume can sometimes seem out of reach. But what if one day, while searching for an answer, the perfect solution presented itself by falling right off the bookshelf? Cosplaying When You're Broke, a guide to making awesome costumes without breaking the bank. A book filled with tips and techniques to stretch your cosplay dollars further. Follow along with the construction of 8 full costumes. Demonstrating techniques that can be used on any costume you can dream up. Accompanying video tutorials and templates make it easy to understand. And before you know it, your low-budget cosplaying dreams will have become a reality.
Okay, I will admit that was super corny, but if you've watched this channel for any length of time, then you know that I just can't resist doing things that are super corny. So, my book is officially live and fully available as of today, so if you pre-ordered it, you should be getting that delivered to your e-reader device today. And thank you to all of those of you who did pre-order it, because it gives a boost to my book, which is important for small authors like me. And if you've been waiting for the print copies, those are now available as well. On all the book-selling websites. I've got a few of them listed in the description box below. The main ones, Amazon, Smashwords, Barnes & Noble, but it's available on several other ones too. Just punch in the title, Cosplaying When You're Broke. So if you're into low-budget cosplaying or you just want to support my work on this channel, check out the book. The print copies are $24.99 and the ebook is $5 as of today. And thank you so much for all of your support and words of encouragement as I brought my little book baby to life. It is now officially out there and available, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.